What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I have some really exciting news. So last weekend I was able to sell the Titan 7 TS5s, and quickly after I found some really nice wheels on Marketplace, and I picked them up like 2 days ago. So let me show you guys the new wheels. So these are my brand new wheels. They're the Volk Racing LE37A. And I've actually never heard of them before I found them on Marketplace. And they came with those brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's in 225/40/18. And yeah, you can see like they look brand new, really clean. I think they just got refinished and the seller like decided to sell them. So yeah, look at on the valve stem, you can see the Raise logo, which is pretty cool. And we got here like forged monoblock and Raise Engineering engraved. I mean, they're pretty sick. I really love the color. It's gonna look great on the black GR. I really can't wait to put them on. I'll probably put a little spacer on them and maybe like 15 millimeters or something. But yeah, I'm really excited. And I like that the face looks like, the whole wheel looks like it's like 2-piece or 3-piece. And they kind of look like some BBS LMs or E88. And I like the silver lip here. I think it's pretty nice. And yeah, I'm really happy with the purchase. Yeah, the tires are brand new. Let me see. They even got like the sticker on and those like little nibs. So yeah, I'm really excited to put them on. And yeah, they're also like 5x100 as always for the GR, made in Japan, and 18x7.5. So yeah, they're a bit more conservative than the Titan 5s, which were 9.5, and they had a 255 tire. And I didn't really want to struggle with the fitment and cutting off the fender, so I got these, and they're gonna look pretty thick. And I think I'm gonna be like the only GR86 in Canada, North America, or even the world with these wheels. So yeah, it's gonna be really nice. So yeah, these are my new wheels for the GR. I'm also gonna buy some side skirts and a lip in the coming weeks, and probably a roof spoiler. There's one that I really like. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.